Hi there, I'm Carrie Lawless, and today I have an adorable 3-bedroom, 2-bath home to show you in Slidell. The roof and AC are only 2 years old. It has an attached garage, and it's absolutely adorable on the inside. All right, let's go on in and take a look. This home has so many adorable features. The first thing I love is this craftsman-style front door. It really makes a statement as you walk in. Another great thing about this home is that it is a wide open floor plan. This living room is absolutely huge and even has 9-foot ceilings, visually increasing the space. Now we are stepping right into the dining area, currently seating for 4, but plenty of room behind me to add a table for 6 or even 8. Now we're completely open to the kitchen. We're stepping into this beautifully renovated space. We have the painted taupe-colored cabinets, the beautiful neutral granite, and the stainless appliances. This space is light, bright, and airy, and even has a door right here, right onto that beautiful backyard, which we'll see in just a minute, but there's still lots more to see inside. Right off of the living room, here to my left is the door to the attached garage. Then as we enter into the hallway, the first thing we come to is this adorable shared bath. It's very neutral. There's a white shaker vanity and the granite countertops. There's also a tub and shower combination, and I love this silver framed mirror and farmhouse light fixture. Very charming. Let's go take a look at the bedrooms. Right here to my left is the first of the 3 bedrooms, and there's plenty of space in here. There are 2 complete office setups in here, as well as a futon, so plenty of room for a traditional bedroom setup. Now, at the end of this hallway is a very handy linen closet, very nice to have, and here is bedroom number 2. So one of the great things about this home is that it is hard surface flooring throughout, including all the bedrooms, and in this space there's even a walk-in closet. All right, on to that primary suite. There are so many great features to love about this room. So first of all, it's the size. This is a king size bed. There's plenty of floor space in front of it, and even a nice size dresser and a huge TV on the wall. Then we've got these 2 windows behind me, providing a really peaceful view onto that lovely backyard, letting in lots of natural light. There's even this step ceiling detail, a modern ceiling fan, and a really nice sized closet. All right, let's take a look at the ensuite. This space has also been beautifully updated. It has the white shaker vanity, the neutral granite countertops, the beautiful framed mirror, and the charming farmhouse light fixture. There's even a linen closet here, and behind me is a huge soaking tub and shower combination. All right, let's take a look at the outside. Right off of the kitchen is this fabulous backyard. So we step right onto this paver patio area. There's lots of room here for a seating arrangement just to enjoy the outdoors and relax. Not only is this yard very spacious, but it's fenced all the way around and even has that adorable shed behind me for additional storage. This home has so much to offer. Make your appointment today. My name is Carrie Lawless.